You've spent 9 months preparing, painting the nursery, folding tiny socks, but there's one decision that could mean the difference between peaceful sleep and a parent's worst nightmare. Every year, thousands of parents unknowingly bring danger into their baby's room: faulty designs, hidden chemicals, dangerous gaps. And they don't find out until it's too late. Today, we're not just reviewing cribs. We're exposing what the manufacturers don't want you to know. We tested different models for safety, durability, and hidden toxins. Only 4 made the cut. And the crib, it's not the most expensive one. Stick around because I'm about to show you the safest, smartest cribs you can buy, and trust me, the winner will surprise you. Let's go. Starting at number 1. Storkcraft Equinox 3-in-1. The Storkcraft Equinox 3-in-1 crib is a modern take on a familiar classic with simple styling and playful crisscross end caps. This primarily solid wood baby crib has chip-resistant paint and a sturdy stance, and is one of the easiest in our tests to assemble, set up between 30 to 33 minutes. We like the overall appearance, which at least attempts to hide or disguise fasteners, unlike most contenders that leave them exposed. One tester said, "I like the simple, clean design. This frame converts to a toddler or daybed, with parts you must buy separately." The materials are GRE and GUARD Gold certified, and the crib opening fits our favorite mattresses with ease during testing. We like that the platform is metal, avoiding the MDF board, which can contain formaldehyde and other off-gassing materials. The Equinox is one of the largest options in the group, measuring 58 inches by 29.5 inches in our tests. This could be a deal-breaker if your space is smaller. The Babyletto Hudson and the Babyletto Lolly are 4.5 inches shorter and could be a better fit in some spaces. The Equinox also has one of the lowest sitting mattress levels, which can be a blessing and a curse. While its depth is excellent for standing or climbing toddlers, petite parents can find it challenging to reach deeper into a crib to soothe a distressed baby. The mattress height is adjustable, which will alleviate some potential problems, but not all of them. As one tester stated, "I think I'll have to make frequent adjustments to make this suitable for me and my baby as they grow." If your budget is a bit tighter, the Carter's by DaVinci Colby 4-in-1 is a similar minimal style crib that costs less with similar features. Overall, we love the unique look of the Equinox and find the design complements most modern nurseries with a subtle look that allows other elements to shine. Number 2. Carter's by DaVinci Colby 4-in-1. The Carter's by DaVinci Colby 4-in-1 is an unassuming, lovely option that lets your baby and fitted sheet shine like a framed, priceless work of art. This product lets other nursery pieces stand out with a simple rectangle, slat design, and contrasting color scheme. This crib is solid wood with potential multi-step, non-toxic paint, though we prefer the unpainted option after testing both. It is also GRE and GUARD Gold certified and made from sustainable New Zealand pine wood and TSCA-compliant engineered wood. It includes 4 mattress heights with a range of 8.5 inches and a metal platform that avoids MDF. The Colby was one of the easiest in the group to assemble, taking under 30 minutes in our tests with fewer dowels and bolts than some competitors. Our tester reports, "I think this crib was easier to assemble than most of the competition and felt intuitive. The wood on the Colby feels somehow softer than much of the competition, and it easily dents. We experienced this during our limited testing, or the paint might transfer to objects that knock into it. Again, we'd choose the unpainted option. We think this crib might show its age before it has outlived its usefulness, which is something to consider if you find long-term perfection necessary. However, as our tester stated, I don't think this will impact its longevity. It is on the bigger side at a measured footprint of 55.6 by 29.6 inches in our tests, so if space is a concern, one of the Babyletto cribs could be a better fit. If you like simple but want a little more detailing, the Storkcraft Equinox 3-in-1 has a modern design that offers closed ends and a bit more style. Warning: it is even bigger, though. Overall, we love Colby's simplicity and think most parents will love it as much for what it is as they will for what it isn't. Number 3. Babyletto Lolly 3-in-1. The Babyletto Lolly 3-in-1 is a modern and beautiful nursery addition we think most parents will love. It comes in a styrofoam-free package with included hardware and tools. In our tests, it offered a wide platform height range of 8.8 inches, with one of the higher platforms for infants and young babies to make it easier on caregivers. This crib has fine attention to detail, like rounded corners and an MDF-free design. Our tester remarked, "I can tell the difference side by side in the quality of the Lolly compared to less expensive options." Our tests show it worked well with our favorite mattresses and includes a metal wire platform. The Lolly is GreenGuard Gold certified, lovely to look at and easy to use. It is made with solid renewable pine wood from New Zealand and has been tested for over 10,000 chemical emissions. It is one of the smaller options in the review, measuring 53.5 inch by 29.8 inches in our tests, making it a good contender for those with smaller spaces. Like all of these styles, the metal wire platform is not suitable for mattress sensor movement monitors that require a firm surface under the mattress. Our tester states, "Given that many great movement monitors do not have mattress or platform concerns, I don't think this is a deal breaker." The Lolly is also harder to assemble, but theoretically, this is a one-and-done operation with a potential second assembly of turning it into a toddler bed. It took us over 40 minutes to put together during testing, and some of the fasteners were so similar in size that it was a pain to figure out which one we needed. The Carters by DaVinci Colby 4-in-1 is much easier to assemble and costs significantly less than the Lolly. Overall, we think the Lolly is a great crib that will work for most families who have the budget or plan to use it for multiple babies to defray some of the higher price. Number 4. Babyletto Hudson 3-in-1. The Babyletto Hudson 3-in-1 is an impressive convertible crib that comes with a toddler rail for conversion to a toddler bed. We love the quality of this crib and the fact that it doesn't use styrofoam packaging. This crib fits our favorite mattresses like a glove during testing. It has a snug fit, but is not so snug that it was hard to change a sheet. We like the metal wire mattress platform, which helps it earn a GreenGuard Gold certified status, as does the renewable pine wood from New Zealand. In our measurement tests, it was one of the smallest, with a footprint of 53.5 inches by 29.5 inches. In our tests, it offers 4 platform heights and has a range of 8.5 inches. As our tester reports, the mattress platform range is pretty good. I like the different levels for newborns and toddlers. The Hudson build took a long time and was more complicated than competitors, and we even installed one part backward. If you loathe the idea of assembly, the Storkcraft Equinox was significantly easier, but took about the same time. Both are easier than the Babyletto Lolly, but the Carters by DaVinci Colby 4-in-1 was hands down the simplest and took less than 30 minutes. This crib is also one of the most expensive in the group. However, our tester stated, "I think the quality and attention to detail could very well justify the price, and using it with more than one child will help improve its value. It could be a deal breaker if your budget is smaller." Both the Storkcraft and Colby are less expensive and have a similar enough minimal style. Overall, we think most parents will love the Hudson and, if their budget is bigger, will be happy to build a nursery around it. And there you have it, parents. The best baby cribs of Remember Your Baby will spend over hours sleeping in their first few years. Choosing the right crib isn't just about style, it's about safety and peace of mind. Which crib was your favorite, the budget-friendly option or the luxury convertible? Drop a comment below. I personally read every single one, and I want to hear about your nursery journey. Links to every crib we discussed, plus the exact mattresses and sheets we recommend, are in the description box below. We've got affiliate links there to help you save some money too. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It really helps other parents find this information. And if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell because we're dropping a new video every week about baby gear, parenting hacks, and nursery setups. Thanks for watching. Sleep tight, and I see you in the next one.